Lab Activity 1. Creating Java Program using Command Line Environment. Checklist. The computer must have the JDK or Java Development Kit and a text editor like Notepad. If the computer that you will be using doesn't have the JDK or Java compiler, download it from the oracle.com website in this link. In the Oracle website, look for the JDK installer for a 64-bit Windows OS. Click the installer and wait to download it completely. Browse in the download folder of your computer and double-click the JDK installer. Then click the Run button to start the installation process. Just follow the installation wizard and let the installation folder be in Drive C, Program Files. The installer will create a Java folder inside the Program Files folder. Okay, now to check if there is JDK installed in your computer, go to Drive C, then inside the Program Files folder, there is a Java folder and the JDK folder inside. The JDK folder contains the files necessary in coding, compiling, and running your Java programs. So inside the bin folder, the javac.exe or the Java compiler was saved. After installing Java, let's set up the path for Windows. This is for recognizing the command javac even if the Java program is saved outside the Program Files folder. Right-click on this PC and select Properties. The System dialog box will open. Then select Advanced System Settings. Under the Advanced tab, click the Environment Variables button. Now, change the path variable so that it also contains the path to the Java executable. Click the Path and Edit button. We need to copy the path in which the javac.exe is located. Click the New button and paste the path. It should be Drive C, Program Files, Java, the JDK version, and bin folder. Creating your first Java program. First step is to code a source file. Open the notepad and type the following codes. Type the keyword class followed by the class name, which is Hello World App. Type the open bracket to start the class. On the next line, type the main method. Followed by the open bracket to start the main method. Next line is the command for printing the message Hello World. End the line with the semicolon, close bracket to end the main, and another close bracket to end the class. After typing the Java codes, save it. Create a folder in Drive C. Much better if you name the folder with your surname. Then, save the file inside your folder as helloworldapp.java. Make sure that the capitalization of the file name is correct and with .java extension. Second step is to compile the source file into a .class file. Open a command prompt window by pressing Windows logo R, then type CMD and press OK button. At the prompt, type CD / and press Enter key. Assume it's Drive C. Change the directory to your folder. Type CD followed by the name of your folder and press the Enter key. Type dir at the prompt to see your source file. The file helloworldapp.java must be in your folder. Let's try if the Java compiler is recognized in your folder. Type the command javac and press the enter key. The information of the Java compiler must be displayed on the screen. It means that the javac.exe file is recognized in your folder. Let's compile your program by typing the command javac followed by the Java source file and press the enter key. Type javac space helloworldapp.java. Let's assume that the program has error. Save the changes in the notepad. Go to the command prompt and type javac space helloworldapp.java. Remember, if there are errors displayed after the compilation, switch to Notepad to edit the source file. Save it and compile it again. If there are no errors displayed, the compiler has generated a class file, helloworldapp.class. To check it, type again dir to see the new file that was generated. The helloworldapp.class must be seen in your folder. Third step is to run or to execute your Java program. In the same directory, enter the command java space helloworldapp.class or just helloworldapp. Output check. Congratulations if you will be able to see the message Hello World printed on the screen. And to complete this activity, do the following enhancements in your Java program.